Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn how to create custom report types to create custom reports in Salesforce. If you want to learn more about reports and dashboard, so please watch all video of this playlist. Let's start. Go to setup. After that, in quick find, search here reports types and click on that link report types. Here we can see custom report types and here is the some information of custom report types. Custom report types allows you to build a framework in the report wizard from which user can create and customize the reports. You can build custom report types of the relationship, master details and lookup between objects so that you can first point is here choose which object to display to user creating and customizing the reports. Here objects is important, we have to choose object. After that second point is define the relationship between object displayed to users creating and customizing the report. In second point relationship is important, and third point is select which object fields can be used as a column in a report. And third point here fields is important. It means that when we create custom report types, there is three things is important. First is objects, second one is relationships, and third one is fields. Okay, after that here I'm simply click here continue new custom report types. Here select primary object. Here I'm select accounts. After that report type label, I'm write here accounts with opportunity, and in description I'm write same as label accounts with opportunity. After that here store in category, we can see here some category. First of all go to reports. After that new reports, these are the categories to store the custom report types. Here I am select one, name is other reports. So here select other reports. Other reports is the store category of custom report type. After that next, here we can see primary object is accounts, and here is option for click to relate another object. Select another object. Here I am select opportunity object, and here is option is available for relationship A to B, means accounts to opportunity object. And this contain two option. Each A records must have at least one related B records, and A records may or may not have related B records. I am simply select second. A records may or may not have related B records. After that save, or we can see here we can also add third object here, and we can see here some object is available here, and relationship between the B to C is also available here. I am not select third object here, so I am click on save button. Here we can see um, account objects contain 62 fields and opportunity object contain 36 fields. We can also edit layout by using edit layout option. Here we can see accounts object contain this field and opportunity object contain this field. Total fields in layout is 98. If you want to edit this field account ID, then simply select this field account ID and click on edit properties option. We can Here we can edit that particular field. Also here option is available for edit, and also another option is delete. Here we can see create new section option is also available. If you want to remove this field account source, then simply select this field and drag and drop here. So here I want to remove annual revenue, so simply drag and drop here. So this field is removed from the layout. Similar way, if you want to remove this amount fields in opportunity, firstly select here opportunity field and select that field and drag and drop here. In this way we can uh, remove the fields from the object. Also we can customize that field using drag and drop option. After that, click here save. Account with opportunity record type is created. After that, refresh the page. Go to report. After that, new report. Go to new report. Here is the category. I am select other reports, and here is the report accounts with opportunity. After that, start report. This report contain this account name and this opportunity name. Here is fields option is available. We can select account ID, account name, account number. These are the fields available in this custom report. After that, we can also add filter condition to these reports. In this way, we can create custom reports in Salesforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.